Appleton Estate Reserve Remixology 2012.
Down here in Miami at the Appleton Estate Remixology competition, they really brought it. These bartenders down here know how to make great drinks, but they know how to have really, really good time.
We're just going nuts. It's going down. We're taking the energy from the hurricane and putting it right in the glass tonight.
Most competitions are technically sound. It's about the cocktail, but it's also more about the performance, being actually yourself behind the bar.
I honestly, in my opinion, think that this is the last honest cocktail competition and the best cocktail competition in the country.
Remixology embodies everything a bartender should be.
It's an amazing event, it's really fun, and some great people are involved in it, and also a great product.
You get to jump around and be crazy.
This is one of those rare competitions that you see the personality of the individual aesthetically, not just with their cocktails.
It's just a great time to showcase your inner rock star.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the man who is going to take home the Stanley Cup of cocktails. Rolling in from Nashville, Miss Bags the
I'm really excited to go back to New York. I'm from New York, and I left there to move to Nashville, and I haven't been back in a little over 3 years. It's gonna be fun.